In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and set up your Kasper Opportunity Finder. Once you land on the website meetcasper.com/opportunityfinder, you can see a quick summary of how it works, and this is a playground for you to try it. You will start by putting in your information and signing up. Go ahead and click Create a Free Account, but if you already have an account and you're just installing it on another workstation, you could click Log In and enter your email and password. If you're landing on this for the first time, enter your referral code. And then you could click Claim License, and it's going to show how many licenses you have. Once you are ready to install, click Download Opportunity Finder. Make sure you are installing this on a workstation and not the server. It's going to ask for a host name, database password. Go to Open Dental for this information. Go to File. Then click on Database. You should see all this information here. So host should be your server name or IP address. Enter it in the same format as it appears in Open Dental. Now check the database name and make sure it's the same. It's Open Dental, so that's good. Now enter the MySQL user as it appears in Open Dental. Usually it's root. Next, enter your password, and if you don't have it, contact your administrator or whoever has the password for the database. Finally, you can test the connection. Once it says Connection Successful, click Save and Continue. Go ahead and log in one more time. Agree to the license agreement. Click Sign In. There you go. Enjoy and let us know what you think.